Calling State of Florida versus Joby Bramlett Boone. Ms. Earls?
Judge, as he approaches, he'll be entering a plea. It'll be an adjudication of guilt on both charges, but it will be the amended simple battery and simple assault.
And what's the?
12 months of probation without early termination at this point. The online anger management class. No contact with the alleged victim, Roshanti Thomas. It includes the GPS ankle monitor that he already has on and the court costs and fines.
So it would stay on?
It's a condition of probation, yes,
Okay.
Judge, which is what I had to just discuss with him, so.
Okay.
Yes, Judge, and that was in exchange for, it was brought to my attention that he has violated no contact order, and that it's in exchange, the ankle monitor part of it is in exchange for the state not filing new charges regarding the violation to the no contact order.
Okay. Is the alleged victim here?
Yes,
she is.
Judge.
She accepting of this offer?
Yes, Judge, I've spoken with her.
Okay. So his continue to have no contact with her, correct?
Yes, Judge, with the ankle monitor.
Okay. Madam Clerk, would you please swear Mr. Boone in?
You'll raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear from the testimony you shall give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Boone, I'm going to need you to speak loudly, please, and into the microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'm going to be asking you a lot of questions, so step up a little bit. Name, age, highest level of education.
Joby Boone, graduated,
Okay, how old are you?
22.
What do you do for a living?
None yet.
Have you ever been treated for any mental illness? You have to answer, sir, on the record.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Thank you. Are you currently under the influence of any alcohol, drugs, or other intoxicants that would confuse you?
No, ma'am.
You told me today you wish to enter a no contest plea to the 2 counts, reduced charge of simple battery and simple assault. Is that what you wish to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I want to make sure you understand the terms of the plea. Do you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. And have you had the chance to discuss them with Ms. Earls, your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need any more time to speak to Ms. Earls before entering your plea?
No,
No? Okay, thank you. Now, by entering this plea, you'll be waiving certain constitutional rights. I'm going to go over those briefly with
Judge,
you.
someone in the audience is trying to talk while he's doing the plea. I don't know if you.
Ma'am, I-
That's not, we can't do that during.
Yeah, this is not TV. Like, that's disrespectful to everybody in here, including the court. So, Mr. Boone, do you need more time to speak with anybody before entering the plea? Okay,
Okay, I mean, it's not appropriate, but
you know what?
we'll have to start the plea probably.
Yes, I have to start.
It's his mom.
Ms. Boone, is it Ms. Boone?
Bramlett, Ms.
Bramlett. He's an adult, and
I know, but you don't understand. Y'all don't realize this.
he spoke with his attorney, so I can't have you,
I get it. They said I violated, so that's what they do. I know I did. I know I ain't violated. That's my house. How I violated if it was my house.
no,
This ain't no violation.
Mr. Boone, you,
This is what
you,
always, I'm gonna speak. This is what always happens. How
No, this
everything
ain't no
plays out, it
violation.
always
Mr.
happens
Boone,
like
please
this.
don't speak. This is,
No,
we
this
don't
ain't
need
no
to have an
violation.
argument.
well, you're not charged with, okay, let me take control of this. You are not charged with a violation. They're saying there's an allegation that you violated. So today, for purposes of this plea, the original charges of why you came back before the court is why you're accepting this plea today.
Because I ain't did nothing wrong. I ain't put my hands on nobody or nothing.
I have scars. I have the proof of
Fuck,
everything.
you bit me right here. You bit me right here. You bit me right here. I got scars. I got a scar right here. She poked my eye. I got blood in my eye.
I understand. Yep, of course.
No, because she already said she a manipulator.
Okay.
Joby,
The
Joby,
fuck?
focus on me. Look, do you know the judge can snap her fingers and I take you into custody for contempt? So you
I
have
don't,
to.
I don't
Shh,
care no
listen,
more.
listen.
Okay,
Joby,
you know what?
listen.
No,
Listen.
no,
Listen.
no.
Look, the judge has that power, but I don't want to do that. Just calm down and let her get through, okay? Okay? Do this for me, Joey. We go way back. Just listen to the judge.
Do you want to? I'm not going to accept a plea from anybody who doesn't wish to accept a plea. The one thing I am going to tell you, though, you're not going to come into my courtroom and be disrespectful. I don't care if your mother's here or not, because that's a reflection on her when you're acting disrespectful.
being disrespectful.
Yes,
I'm telling
yes,
the
you
truth.
are. Yes, you are.
This the truth.
Okay, but this is not the Jerry Springer show. You
I
don't
never
get
said
to
it
just, you don't just get to like just lash out and say whatever you want. It doesn't work like that.
I'm not lash. This ain't no lash out.
Okay, but you don't do it here.
Lash out if I get loud on you.
You gonna get loud on me? You know what? We'll do this
No.
after lunch. Bailiff, take him in custody. I'm gonna
No.
find you an indirect criminal contempt. I'll see you after lunch, sir. I don't have the time to deal with this right now. I'll give you an opportunity to tell me why I shouldn't have you put in custody right
Because I
now.
ain't did nothing wrong. I'm trying to get my
You-
life together. Man.
Okay, but acting like this ain't getting your life together.
All right, try and face me, Judge.
Court's adjourned till 1:30.
Try and face me, Judge. Face me, look, face me. Face me.
Well, you know what? It doesn't seem like she's gonna want the plea either, so I'm not gonna accept a plea.
I never said I didn't want the plea. I want the plea because even after I left their home, he was still contacting me.
You
I
just-
want the plea. I have
I got
the proof and
messages
everything.
too.
Sam, I have time.
So I want the plea. I want it.
She said call.
1:30.
Could
I got
we,
messages too.
is there any other time you're
I got the
available, because
screenshot.
he's entitled
She
to
said
an
call
attorney for
her.
a hearing?
Not for direct criminal contempt, he's not.
Everything. You want to.
Not for direct criminal, indirect he is.
And she said-
I know, and I-
So men in my face and putting his
I
hands
got
on me.
video. I got video. I got video.
You don't know when to shut up. You don't know when to be quiet. That's why you're going where you're going right now, because you don't know when to be quiet. You don't know when to leave me alone. This moment don't make it no better.
And you too. This is the courtroom.
I understand that, that's why I was.
Well, I understand a lot of things too, and what I do understand is you talking like that, you're represented by the state. You're the alleged victim.
I haven't done anything though, I literally I was quiet the whole time.
Do you understand? I didn't ask you to talk back to me. I didn't ask you to speak to me. I'm just telling you. You want to speak to your alleged victim?
No, I'm getting real irritated, real fast. I don't like being talked to like I'm a child and like I don't understand what's going on. I understand what's going on.
Take her in contempt too. I don't have time, you know what? Take her in too. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this today. I'm not doing it today. Be back at 1:30.
She was literally talking to me and I was talking.
Not doing it today. You want to be disrespectful? Not in my courtroom.
Being disrespectful, but
So she was talking to me.
I was talking to her.
She ain't doing this today.
I was talking to her.
And, Ms. Robach, what is your alleged victim's name?
Roshanti Thomas.
Roshanti
Yes, it's Roshanti Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, thank you.
She corrected me during court, I think it was,
Oh, God. Good afternoon, Ms. Thomas. Step up, please. Nice to see you. Okay. You can uncuff her. Thank you. So, Ms. Thomas, I know we had a little bit of a thing this morning, so I just want to see how you're doing and if we can kind of move forward from that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And I also want to ask you, you were sworn in earlier this morning. I want to make sure that you're good with the offer that the state extended
Yes.
regarding the probation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you know you both have to stay away from each other, correct?
Yes, ma'am. That's the whole thing, because I stay away, he harasses me.
Okay,
He
well then you let
constantly
the
contacts
proper
me.
authorities, but you do understand that when you're in the courtroom, what happened this morning can't happen again.
Yes, ma'am, and I apologize on my part.
And I accept your apology, and I appreciate that. It got very heated, and I don't want it to be heated like that. So I figured we all had a cooling off period, it would make things better. So you are free to leave. Thank you for the courtesy. You're free to stay, because he is going to be taking a plea this afternoon, my understanding. Ms. Earls, is that correct?
unless he's changed his mind.
Might, okay.
the state is
So
still-
you are free to stay, because you are the victim in the case,
Yes, ma'am.
or you can go, whatever your choice is, but you can be seated or you can go.
I'll stay.
You stay. So if you stay,
I know.
I just want to make sure everybody, and even the young lady in the front, right? You're laughing, but I want you to understand, this is a court, and I want to make sure there's dignity and respect here for everybody here, including you. So, okay, then we're good. If you want to bring Mr. Boone up, that'd be great. Yes, thank you.
Your Honor, did the court find the victim guilty of
No.
contempt? Okay.
Nope. Just a cooling off for everybody.
Understood.
So, Mr. Boone, we had a little bit of a issue this morning. I just want to see, do you still wish to accept the plea and the offer from the state?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. State,
Yes, Your Honor.
and the offer still is probationary offer.
Correct, Your Honor, but with the added term of the GPS monitor now that there's been that violation of the no contact orders.
I think that was negotiated
Yes,
this
okay.
morning. If it's not filed on, and it's my hope, though, that
Correct.
part of the negotiating is that you're not going to file on it due to the fact that he's accepting the GPS. So what I want to make sure,
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr.
That's
Boone,
part of the
is
deal.
that you don't leave here on probation, and then there's new charges that pop up.
Oh,
Okay. So I just want to make sure, you were previously sworn in. Is that correct? Do you remember that this morning?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I want to make sure, tell me your name, your age, and your highest level of education.
Joey Boone, I'm 22, graduated.
And what do you do for a living?
Nothing yet.
I hope you had a nice cooling off period.
I was knocked out.
That's what I heard. And you do understand that you can't act the way that you did in my courtroom.
Listen, I'm just aggravated because all this stuff I'm going through and stuff.
I understand that, but you understand again,
Yes.
I didn't do anything to you. I have a job to do. Ms. Earls has a job to do. Ms. Rawbach has a job to do. My bailiffs behind you have a job to do.
Yes, ma'am.
And you wouldn't speak to your mother like that, correct?
I ain't gonna lie, if I was aggravated, I might would, but like.
Well, I get that,
Yeah.
but you understand that that's not the right thing to do, right? Okay, all right. And Mr. Jones spoke highly of you, so I hope that you don't, embarrass him.
He was sheriff when I was in middle school.
I heard I heard the whole story of you, Mr. Boone. So there are people that still care about you, so your behavior, though, this morning was just uncalled
I'm
for.
sorry.
I appreciate that, and I'll accept your apology. So, deputies, would you please uncuff Mr. Boone?
And Judge, in that regards, for the record, you're not holding him.
I am not holding him, I'm reversing myself.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
And I'll